I receive a heart of sonship, to cry out Abba and see your face. A heart full of holy affection, delighting in all you say. You find great delight dreaming with me, and you invite me to dream in greatness. For you do exceedingly above all I could ask or imagine. I see myself through your eyes of love. I see myself through your eyes of love. This is the dream, this is the mystery. When I agree with how love sees, heaven invades and your will is done. Here and now, your kingdom come. Here and now, your will be done. Truth is, this dream is only a tool, teaching me to co-reign beside you, to receive reward for your glory. Oh, the riches of being one with you. Abba, I belong to you. Abba, I am loved by you. Abba, I will reign with you. Abba, forever one with you. Oh, the riches of being one with you. Amen. Amen. I receive a heart of sonship, to cry out Abba and see your face. A heart full of holy affection, delighting in all you say. You find great delight dreaming with me, and you invite me to dream in greatness. For you do exceedingly above all I could ask or imagine. I see myself through your eyes of love. This is the dream, this is the mystery. When I agree with how love sees, heaven invades and your will is done. Here and now, your kingdom come. Here and now, your will be done. Truth is to receive.